a lot of nerves, and it was just,
We hope you're open to new things, so.
Ooh. Is this an M for malarkey? I like that. Very nice.
It's mushy.
When I think of football, I think of mushy.
So we have potato in here. We have the
Mashed
steak.
potato, steak,
A little bit of cilantro, a little bit of
bacon
onions
bits,
and bacon
and
bits.
onions.
I'm going to ask that you join me in eating this one. It looks, it's interesting. I want to, let's do this together.
Okay.
I'm gonna have some potato. And she's choking. Not a good sign.
It's not that bad.
We lost.
It was so funny because it was her food.
It's really good. Game over. Thanks for playing, everybody. Had a great time. What are you gonna do? You know, it was just.